A fresh morning to all of you children. How are you? Hope you all are doing well at home. Okay, I am going to tell you about lesson 3 question and answer. Today we will do. You can see the question from your textbook. You can take out your page 48, lesson 3. So, what is the first question? What are the different ways in which open windows can be arranged and seen on the desktop? You have to write what are the different way you can able to open the window and you can able to arrange it and you can able to see in your desktop. As I have told, how to open in the taskbar. When you click on the right side corner, right click, then you will see all the options. So, what are the 4 options? Different ways. The different ways in which open windows can be arranged and seen on the desktop are: the first one is cascade window. Okay. First one is cascade window. Second one is show window stack. Third one is show window side by side. And the fourth one is show the desktop. These are the 4 different ways in which we can open window and can be arranged and seen on the desktop. So, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one after one. Down you can write. So, the 4 different ways, the different ways in which you can see or arrange on your desktop are: the first one is cascade window. Cascade window. Second one is show window stack. Okay, the second one is show window stack. And the third one is show window side by side. Show window side by side. And the last one is show the desktop. Is it clear? Now come to the second question. How is a desktop wallpaper is different from a screensaver? Here it is asking, how is a desktop wallpaper is different from screensaver? Desktop wallpaper is what? The background screen of the desktop is known as your desktop wallpaper. Whereas screensaver is what? When you leave your computer for some time and your computer is idle, it won't do anything. For that time, if you select a screensaver and give, after some time when in the monitor there is an animation screen is coming, that is known as your screensaver. So please see the answer. The background of the desktop is called wallpaper. The background of the desktop is called your desktop wallpaper. Whereas when your computer is not in use for some time, an animated image appears on the monitor. This is called screensaver. When your computer is not used for some time and an animated image appears on the monitor, that is known as your screensaver. Now come to the third question. Third question. Write down the steps that we can follow to create a shortcut on a window desktop. Why we are creating a shortcut? Because suppose in one MS Word or MS Paint or MS Excel, any application, if you want to open always, so instead of going to start, all program, Microsoft Office, then click on MS Word. So there is a long way procedure. So in that case, to save our time, to the time consuming, so no need to go again and again step by step. We create that icon as a shortcut, so that whenever we open our computer on the desktop, we just double click on the shortcut icon, so we can do our work. So that's why we are creating an application shortcut when you use that icon or that application regularly. So how to create? What are the steps? The steps to create a shortcut on the Windows desktops are as follows. The first one is you have to click on Start button. Then you click on what? All program. Once you click on Start button, Then the sub menu will appear. There you have to click on what? All program. After that, you click on accessories folder. After that, what? Click on accessories folder. Then right click on the paint option. Here I have taken example. I want a shortcut application for MS Paint. So you do right click on the paint option. Then you select the send to option. Then it will show you send to option. So you have to select to send to option. Then choose the desktop. Then after that you choose the desktop, that is create a shortcut option. A shortcut of the paint application appears on the desktop with a jump arrow in the lower left hand corner. So once you click on the shortcut desktop, then suddenly the shortcut application will appear. It will show you a jump arrow key in the left side corner. Okay, like this it will be like this. Suppose this is the icon. Once it is created shortcut, one like this. Jump arrow key, one arrow key will be like this. So these all icons are known as your shortcut. Okay. A shortcut of the paint appears on the desktop with a jump arrow in the lower left hand corner. Is it clear? Hope all the question answer is very clear to you. Can you see? Can you see all the answer? Okay, fine. The next answer the following question, I will tell you in my next video. You can see it, okay? So, please, you write in a neat and clean handwriting. And suppose if you are unable to see the answer, just take out a screenshot and you zoom and you can able to write the answer. Write in a very neat and clean handwriting. Then the next D and E, and take the right answer. That one I will tell you in my next offline video. Thank you children for listening my class. All of you take care and always be smiling. Be happy and have a nice day.